Hello everyone, welcome you all to this video. This is a problem taken from GATE 2014's paper and a problem of NAT section, that means numerical answer type of question. These are with 2 marks. Let's get started, but first of all I want to tell you why I have picked up this problem. Earlier in our videos we have solved such questions, but most of the students face difficulties when this sort of problem regarding heat and wave equation asked in particularly GATE exam. They think that they need to remember heavy size of formula, and in that formula plug all the given conditions, and that will give the desired result. But I can promise you that this is not the scenario for each and every case. This particular example will give you the flavor that how easily you can solve these problems just knowing a fact that uxt is a summation of this product n equals to say 0 to infinity, which is called property of superposition principle as well. In our videos, earlier videos, we have solved such questions. You can go there and check it out. There also we have mentioned this property, and that will be very much helpful to you to solve such problems in the exam hall with just few minutes. So look at uxt, it is given, and obviously we treat it like this way, and in question it is given ut equal to uxx. So here it will be this one and this stuff. So now you just need to manipulate all the things, taking here minus lambda square. Why minus lambda square? Whenever you get the solution, you will get the flavor why I have taken here minus lambda square, because the conditions, you need to satisfy the conditions as well while solving such problems. That's why you need to practice more and more questions to get the idea whether you need to take here minus lambda square or plus lambda square. Okay, fine. Now that will give you uxt. If we treat it simply like this way, first case, then that will give you a sin lambda x plus b cos lambda x multiplied with e to the power minus lambda square t. Okay, now look at the conditions are given this way. So first condition, u0 t equals to 0, that means x0 into tt equals to 0, fine, and x0 means x0 means this part, that is nothing but b equals to 0. Okay, and the second condition, u pi t equals to 0, already b equals to 0. So if you implement this condition, that will give sin lambda pi equals to 0, that is nothing but lambda equals to n you are getting. Okay, now we are all set to use this formulation because we have got lambda in terms of n. Okay, so your uxt, it is going to be here b will be 0, so a will be in terms of n sin lambda x was there earlier, so sin nx will be there, and e to the power in place of lambda square it will be n square into t. Comes n equals to 0, just think it, n equals to 0, you will get sin 0, so no importance is there. So n equals to n to infinity, that will be your ultimate uxt. Okay, now we have one condition to use also, this condition, this third condition, which is our initial condition. Just use that condition and look at what you are getting. ux0, it is given sin x. So if we use here and that will give us a1 equals to 1 and rest of the ai's are 0, means I greater than 1. Okay, I think clear. If you have any doubt, query, you can go there in the comment section and feel free to ask any question. Okay, also I will request you to share the video if you find it helpful for you. Now uxt that turns out to be, with this formulation, it will be only a1 is the existing term. For n equals to 1, you will get e to the power minus t, and rest of the terms will be 0 because all the ai's are 0 for I greater than 1. So here a1 means 1, so you have sin x into e to the power minus t, and in the problem u pi by 2 comma 1 it is, so e to the power minus 1, that means 1 by e is your answer. And in the exam hall you will be given a scientific calculator. You just plug the value, what will be the value of 1 by e, and put it here. That is your question regarding this heat equation. So I think you get the flavor that how easily we can solve within just few minutes this sort of question and get 2 marks easily without remembering any hardcore formula. Okay, thanks for watching and meet you soon in the next video.